AGBA stock analysis and predictions. Is it a buy right now? I've been in the markets for 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on courses and mentorships, and have no course to sell you. So watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out whether it's a buy or not. With AGBA Group Holdings, honestly, yes, I'm pretty bullish. Obviously, this doesn't mean that you should go out and just full margin. No, obviously not. Please do your due diligence. This is all demo and simulated. But I'm also sticking to a strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions. So since already waiting for a double break, getting the double break, and this is, by the way, all called out here. What else can I say other than the price has already given me the rules, right? Boom, 26th of September.
Fine.
This is how it looked like originally. Let me copy this. Right. So what else can I do other than wait? Nothing. Maybe just look maybe to double down on it. So I'm talking if there is another opportunity here to look to take it even higher. But honestly, man, I'm just going to be waiting. You know, there's nothing else that I try and like risk more of my capital. I'm very risk averse. But other than that, if you want to learn the strategy for free, click the first link in the description.